Merry Christmas to everybody. So here's a special song. Hope y'all enjoy it.
Suck the homies, suck the homies.
You already know today is Christmas. Who cares about Thanksgiving? It's just about eating and saying what you thankful for. People getting bored. Then I look at this booty hole. It was pink. Until I woke up on the dream, I was kissing Lil Nas X. Right, man, fuck Thanksgiving. I'm just only gonna play Christmas music and ready to get to open my present. And I saw Santa on the chimney. He's gonna give me presents. And then I went to sleep. And then I woke up. I had some good ass presents. And then when my parents told me it's Thanksgiving, I said, fuck Thanksgiving. Because what the fuck do I look like? A fucking Thanksgiving person? Now I'm playing All I Want for Christmas Is You. But I'm tired of all this Thanksgiving shit. Bring the motherfucking Christmas decoration. Because all Thanksgiving is just eating food. But Christmas is the shit. But Thanksgiving ain't the shit. And now we decorating cookies. I was ready to eat them. And I got the milk. And then what I got for Christmas was a Montero player.